In this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of the performance stats tab here in the ProjectX platform on Top 1 Futures. Let's jump right into the charts. So here we are on the ProjectX platform for Top 1 Futures. Again, this is Top 1 Futures, not Topstep X. This is the ProjectX platform. What we're going to be looking at in this video is the performance stats tab. So over here to the left-hand side, if we click on performance stats, it opens up this dashboard here. And this is really, really sweet. Essentially, what this is going to give you is all of your important trading metrics, start to finish, all of your trades journaled, your monthly, daily, weekly P&L. And we're just going to go line by line, take a look at this, kind of how we can view, where we can share it, some of the additional features like clicking on the individual day to get your entire trade report. But starting from the top, this is a brand new test account that I have. Grateful to be partnered with Top 1 Futures. If you want to check out Top 1 Futures yourself, use code RDF to always get the best deals. But starting right at the top, obviously we have the date range. You can set a custom range within this if you want to look at a specific time frame. You have the day, last week, last month. Gives you a kind of automated coaching tip up here. Over here, you have the ability to actually share this and copy a link, which is really cool. If you're working with maybe a coach or a mentor, you just want to share it for some reason with somebody, your trading buddy, you can go ahead and copy a link to share this dashboard right here. Very, very interesting. Again, you do want to make sure that you're on the right account over here all the way at the top left-hand side. If I had multiple accounts running here, this would give me the ability to select between different accounts, which would, of course, change the trading metrics. So taking a look at just kind of each individual metric that we're able to track quickly, we have total P&L, just total P&L in the account. We have the total trade win percent for all the trades given and again taken. And again, this is for the date range. So like if you maxed out, for example, this would change relative to the day or the week. You have your average win loss, which is solid to have, right? You're broken down right there. You have the day's win percent. So obviously this is just going to show you for the day. You have your profit factor, right? Total wins divided by total losses. And then you have your best day and percent of total profit. You have your account balance, right? So if I had traded more days, this would be a nice graph here, but this is giving you your daily account balance right here. And as you continue to scroll down, you get another tip from your trading coach based on your own performance metrics, which is pretty interesting. Most active day, most profitable day, least profitable day. Again, I've only been trading this account for 1 day, so these are going to be a little bit skewed, but just to take a look at it together. Number of trades, total number of lots, your average trade duration, interesting metrics. Average win versus average loss duration. Are you holding your winning trades versus your losing trades longer? Winning trade versus losing trade. Trade direction. Are you getting short or are you getting long more? Best trade, worst trade for the time given. Again, your daily net cumulative P&L displayed a couple ways. And then win rate and trade duration. And then what that means for how long you're holding your trades. So what this is going to show you is, what does my win rate look like maybe for under 15 seconds versus holding it for 4 hours, right? Are all of my banger trades, being held for much longer? And my really short-term scalps are just not playing too nicely? And then trade count, where you're spending most time trading, right? Are you within the 1-2 minutes, or are you holding for 4 hours? Along with that, down here, you have a breakdown of your month. And when you trade for a while on here, it's actually really nice. It kind of lets you see, what your winning days look like, what your red days look like, what your weeks coming out to be. Your monthly P&L, which is really nice. Just at a glance, you get to check this out. What you did for the week. And then like you saw before, if I actually click on this day, gives you a really, really detailed breakdown where you get each individual trade. Really, really cool. And I'm going to show you that in a second. Each individual trade breakdown, right? Symbol, size, time. This is available on the bottom of the chart as well. Entry time, exit time, your price, your P&L, and what you paid in fees. No commissions here on ProjectX with Top 1 Futures. Really, really sweet benefit. And again, your daily P&L, right? Kind of showing you for the day. Did you have a huge run up and then you blew up? All of this can be really, really useful. Now, what I just clicked on here, which is really sweet, not a lot of guys know about this, you have the journal. You can daily journal each day and then save this within here. So you can create really a journal right within your trading dashboard here on ProjectX for Top 1 Futures. Also, you can click to journal each individual trade, right? You can make some quick notes. I went on tilt and I shouldn't have taken this trade, right? This was part of my XYZ setup, right? So really, really helpful stuff built in right here. And then again, for the entire time showing, which right here we have a date range, this is going to be all your trades taken. Again, this type of breakdown and statistics that you get for your trading is usually something that you're going to pay a considerable amount for. You get that right here in ProjectX. And again, I think super, super sweet benefit. One other thing I wanted to note that's kind of just a hack in here that you can do. Let's say you do want to journal every day, right? You want to add a daily journal and save that. One really cool thing you can do straight within this platform. Let me just get rid of the depth of market so I can kind of move this over. Let's say you wanted a screenshot of your charts, right? You took because I'm big on this. You took a couple of shorts over here, that paid you. You got long over here. You had a hell of a day and you caught the bottom over here, right? You can take a screenshot of the charts. Not only can you download it or copy an image, you can copy a link. And this is the same as TradingView, right? Because it's a TradingView integrated chart. But you can copy a link right here, which gives you the full screenshot. And I'll actually show you what that looks like. I'll paste it, and then I'll drag this tab over, right? So this is just actually the tab. If I loaded it right here, it's a screenshot of my chart saved by way of a link that essentially you don't have to save an actual image for. And what you can do within your performance stats is throw that right here, boom, save it. And now you have an image of what your trading looked like that day, along with all of these stats. You add some notes in here, and now you've really turned something that's just a back end way to track performance into a daily journal, like a really, really solid journal. So again, this is the performance stats here on the Top 1 Futures ProjectX platform. If you guys want to learn more, check out this series that I'm running, all these tutorials and breakdowns. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below, and catch me live trading on this platform almost every dang day here on YouTube, 100% free, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. And guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Trading's risky. Most traders do lose money. I'm just an idiot here yapping about trading on YouTube. Make your own trading decisions. Do your own research. Read CFTC Rule 4.41 on simulated trading, which is what this is, even in funded prop firm accounts. And check out the affiliate and partnership disclaimer that says I stand to make money from links in my content. Talk to you guys soon. See you trading live.